Have you been requested by your office to download and install Microsoft 365 apps on your personal device or a work computer? In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to download and install Microsoft 365 apps on your personal device, or it can also be a work computer. First of all, you want to log on to your office.com or m365.cloud.microsoft, and here you can see we are on our home page, and then click on install and more. So here you can see we have different options, but I want to click on install Microsoft 365 apps. So it's going to take me to a new browser where I now have the option to actually choose which office I want to install. For example, you can see we have the different language you can select. I have just the 64-bit or the 32-bit, but most Office is actually installed with the version of 64-bit, except you have been requested specifically to install the 32-bit version. So I will always advise you to go for the 64-bit version. And Skype for Business, of course, you don't want to install Skype for Business because Microsoft Teams is replacing Skype for Business. So I'm going to click install. So by clicking install, it's going to actually download the Office app on your computer. So here we go. You can see it's going to download the setup file on your device. And when it downloads the setup file, so what you need to do is I can now just click on browse to the location where it has downloaded the Office setup.exe, and you can see it's just about 7.3 megabytes. So let's just double click on it. So I'm just going to select yes. So here we go. You can see that the download just got started, and it's going to download the following: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Notebook, Outlook, PowerPoint, Access. But it's not going to actually install Skype, download and install Skype on this device, but Skype is actually included here. So it's going to install the official Microsoft Teams. And this is going to take some few minutes to get installed. So just be patient and wait for the installation to complete, and let's come back again to confirm if our installation goes as planned. Here we go. You can see that the installation just got completed, and you can see it says installation is finished. So we can now close the Microsoft pop-up and then go to our start menu. And here, if I go to all, we can see that we have some new app. For example, we have Excel, and we have the Microsoft Teams. You can see we have OneNote, Outlook, and we have the PowerPoint and Publisher. So that is how you install the Microsoft Office 365 apps on your device. So for example, if I start Excel, so first of all, it will actually try to see if you sign into this device, you can see here if I click blank word. So right now, I can actually go to my file, and under my file, if I go to account, you can see on our account that I've been signed on to this account with Simon Johnson, and Simon actually have a license to use this Office app. So which means I just need to accept the license agreement and then click close. And right now, Simon is signed on to this app. Okay, let me just accept the Office Open XML. And you can see that Simon Johnson is signed on to this device, which is going to use a single sign-on to also sign on to your Office 365 apps.